up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I have no plans for today. I just want to look at doll stuff, which is what we do every day. You know what I mean. This might be a little random. Like this stackable bin I bought at Target. It was $6 and it measures 12 inches by 6 inches by 4 inches. Were you thinking the same thing I was thinking? That this could totally be a doll display box? Yes! Remove the stickers, stand it up straight, and place a doll inside. On a doll stand, so we have a case for our doll. Now this is a petite Barbie on a Mattel stand. Let's try the president on a Mattel stand. Too tall. I buy these inexpensive stands on Amazon. The base is thinner than a Mattel stand, which allowed me to get President Barbie in the box. However, her head is touching the top. She is wearing heels. Here she is in the box without a stand. It's still a little snug at the top. Fun poses could be an option. Make it look like all the dolls are trying to get out of the box. But a curvy Barbie standing with flat feet seems to fit just fine. And I have her on our Amazon doll stand. I wonder if I can drill a hole in this so I can hang it on a wall. But I'm gonna need some help with that, so that's something we're gonna have to try at a later time. But when it comes to displaying our dolls on a wall, our shadow boxes are an option. Bear with me, I've gone totally crazy about making these shadow boxes. I'm trying to do a gallery wall, so we might be making a few. And when I say a few, I mean a lot. We first started making them in our Disney Doorables video, then in our Remint Tea Party video. In the comments, one of you wanted to know if we could show an easy one to make. My go-to would definitely be a door, like the one we made for Bella's dorm. But that one was not large enough to fit an 11.5, 12-inch doll. So we're gonna show another one that will fit our Barbies. This frame is 11 by 14 inches. Remove the back, trace it on foam board, cut it out, cut 2-inch strips for the sides, glue them on top to make a tray or a box. I use a ruler to draw a door, and let's sketch a floor. Cut leftover foam board into thin strips. I have some 1/8 foam board from a previous project. I cut that into a few thin strips as well. I cut a few rectangles as well and glue them onto the door. Here, you can make your door as simple or as detailed as you like. I went with some home decor inspiration from Pinterest. Paint it. I'm painting the door turquoise. Paint some trim to match. Paint the walls, paint the floor, take recycled paperboard, cut a rectangle, cut another piece. I made it thin at the top, then it gets a little wider and thinner at the end. Then I bend that top piece, then curve the center and glue it onto the rectangle. I cover the top with a little hot glue, then glue down the bottom. I paint it black. Then I paint it gold. While that's drying, let's glue the trim around the door, add more trim around the bottom, glue on the frame, glue on the handle, glue beads to the bottom to balance the frame, then paint them so it can stand up. If we want to use it as a quick backdrop for videos or doll photography, there's enough space to display a doll. And since it is made with a frame, we can hang it on a wall because I glued the back of the frame to the back of the box. So we can turn our dolls into art. We can hang a few pictures on the walls, add decorations, and change them out for the seasons. And check that out, we can totally get a full body shot. Perfect for making long videos. I saw this at Target and I just had to get a closer look at that caboodle. This is LOL Surprise Tweens Surprise Swap. Are you serious? They are creating dolls now for us to swap their heads? It was $29.99. Looks like there are a couple of different characters to choose from. Personally, I do think the price is a little steep, but I'm not a tweens collector, so that's just my opinion. This doll is articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and it seems like there is a click knee. She has earrings that are removable, a necklace, bracelet, comes with a skirt that is removable, wears a dress with stockings and heels. And I like that her hands have a different pose. I would totally love to see Barbies with different hands that we could switch out like smart dolls. There are hair accessories in the box and a doll stand, a headband with a plastic bow for the doll, a little poster, a hair comb, and that cute little caboodle which caught my eye in the first place. And it can open, and it matches my little scene. Oh yeah, and there's head swapping. This doll comes with an extra head on a little stand. We should just be able to pull the head off. Yep. Remove the other head, then place the new head on the body. And of course, I'm a fan of the idea. I've been known to swap a few heads from time to time. I'm totally keeping this little caboodle or storage container. Ooh, and the comb can fit inside. Barbie Pop Reveal. I got this for $19.97 on Amazon. We have Barbie Color Reveal, we have Barbie Cutie Reveal, and now we have Pop Reveal. We can see which character we're getting. It says there is a scented squishy pet. The contents of the slime is listed on the back. There is a best used by date and a little warning saying that this product may stain or stick to some surfaces. Play on a protected surface. There are 8 surprises, squish, scent, includes slime. There's a pop feature, some more little stuff there, color change on her face and on her hair. I also picked up the pink one and the purple. I guess this one's grape. This is strawberry lemonade or strawberry lemon, I'm guessing. And this is cherry, orange, and blueberry. Oh, the straw is not real. It would have been so cool if this was marketed as an actual water bottle, but I'm thinking it's just for show. We are supposed to take the straw and poke it through the top, all the way through, releasing the slime into the bottle. But the slime is optional, which I personally am very thankful for. I'm just going to remove my items. Keeping everything clean, we get 2 plastic ice cubes. One has a little drink inside. It doesn't have a Barbie hand bracket. And the other one is a pair of skates. The wheels are stationary, but I do love a good pair of skates. And maybe the ice cubes could be used as plastic storage containers in a dollhouse. Let's open the largest bag. The top has a little resealable feature there. And here's the doll with a partial made-to-move body and a painted bathing suit and no wrist articulation. Why is this happening? The eyes and eyebrows are a little pixelated and shiny. This doll has blue hair with a peach stripe. There is movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, hip, upper thigh, a double joint at the knee, and a joint at the ankle. The doll does seem to be scented. I'm smelling a light fruit punch. In the next bag, we have the squishy pet, which is kind of like a pencil topper. In the last bag, we find a small orange pool floaty, which fits the pet, and a fruit punch themed skirt with an elastic waistband. Having articulated wrists would have been awesome, but I do like the increased leg articulation. Here's strawberry lemonade. I was just reading the instructions, and yes, the cup is for playing with the slime. And the bag the Barbie comes in is resealable because this is where you store the slime when not in use. This doll is definitely giving a strawberry lemonade scent. She has pink hair with a lighter pink highlight right there. I can faintly see the color change strawberry on her cheek. She comes in a pink swimsuit and has the same leg articulation. Drink, skates, shorts, which I think are actually kind of cute, a squishy pet, which I have feelings about, and a strawberry pool floaty, which I would have loved to have seen larger. And here's great. With dimples, blue and lavender hair, a purple polka dot bathing suit, made to move legs, shorts, skates, a drink and a pet, and a grape floaty. If only they had articulation at the wrist. Because her face is so cute, and I love the hair color. It does change color with a little bit of icy water, and there is a little decal that appears on her cheek. Now that the cup is empty, we can test out that pop feature. So we just push the straw through the top, then through the bottom. And I guess we remove the straw, and the slime is coming out. Yep, it's just kind of oozing down there. Can you see that? It's oozing all the way to the bottom. It's still going. Yeah, that's the slime. I would have traded the slime and the pet for wrist. Almost done. Speaking of pets, here is Cleo DeNile, Faboolous Pets. I got this doll at Target for $24.99. On the back of the box, we can see Cleo at a boutique with her pets, Tut and Hisette. We get 2 orange shopping bags with a graphic on the front, a cup of coffee. I can remove the top. Hisette is wearing a necklace. Tut has jewelry and a little outfit. I like that we get the same pets in different poses, so we can switch them out and make it look like they're doing different things. We get a selfie stick with a skelette ring light that is removable. We get a cell phone with a picture of Cleo and her pets, and it can fit on the selfie stick. Love that. We get a purse and a ring. She wears a top with a pattern and large puff sleeves, shorts with stitched details, gold shoes, a small tiara hair accessory, earrings, a necklace. The earrings are removable. She has very colorful eye makeup. I'm seeing pink, lavender, turquoise, gold. There's a gold stripe on her lip. She has long blue hair pulled back in a ponytail. A small piece is pulled up at the top for the hair accessory, and she has bangs with a lot of tinsel. I consider myself a Cleo collector, and she is definitely my favorite find of the day. Thank you for joining us for more random doll stuff. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.